Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of regulatory compliance. Let's talk about some real-world case studies where companies got it right and where they went terribly wrong. These stories will not only entertain you but also offer some valuable lessons, so stick around for some compliance wins and fails. First up, let's talk about a company that nailed it, Microsoft. Back in the early 2000s, Microsoft was facing antitrust scrutiny. Instead of fighting it, they revamped their compliance program from the ground up. They implemented a top-down approach, with leadership taking an active role in compliance. They trained their staff extensively and made transparency a core company value. Fast forward to today, and Microsoft is often cited as a gold standard in compliance. The lesson here: leadership commitment and a comprehensive approach can turn your compliance woes into wins. Right, now let's switch gears. Remember Enron? Of course you do. Enron's story is one of the most infamous compliance failures in history. They manipulated their financial statements, concealed debts, and engaged in unethical trading practices. The result? A catastrophic collapse that wiped out billions in shareholder value and led to new regulations like the Sarbanes-Oxley Act. The takeaway: cutting corners and hiding the truth will inevitably catch up with you. Transparency and ethical practices are non-negotiable. Next, let's focus on a more recent success story, Johnson & Johnson. In 2012, they faced serious allegations related to improper marketing practices. Instead of denying the issues, they took responsibility and overhauled their compliance measures. They introduced rigorous training programs, revamped their internal policies, and made compliance a key performance indicator. Today, J&J is praised for its proactive stance on compliance. The moral: owning up to mistakes and taking corrective action can restore your company's reputation. But it's not all roses. Take Wells Fargo, for instance. In 2016, it was revealed that employees had created millions of fake accounts to meet sales targets. This wasn't just a compliance failure, it was a cultural one. The pressure to meet unrealistic goals led to unethical behavior. Wells Fargo faced massive fines, a tarnished reputation, and a loss of customer trust. The lesson here? Compliance isn't just about rules, it's about fostering a culture of integrity. So what can we learn from these stories? First, leadership is crucial. When the top brass is committed to compliance, it trickles down through the entire organization. Second, transparency and ethics should be at the heart of your business practices. And finally, compliance is not just about following rules, it's about creating a culture that values integrity and accountability. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.